Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Today's topic is avoir versus être and we will see when to use which. Let's get started. In French, avoir means to have and être means to be. These two verbs are important verbs used for daily conversation as helping verbs and to form past tense. These are the conjugation for avoir in present tense. Just remember it. These are the conjugation for être. Look at it carefully. You can use avoir to show possession, age in French, physical conditions, and most verbs in past tense. First, it is used to show possession. For example, j'ai un livre. Tu as un stylo. Second is age. In English we say I am 20, but in French we say I have 20 years. Don't say je suis 21. Third is physical condition, feelings like hunger, thirst, cold, etc. Remember, these expressions always use avoir. For example, j'ai faim, j'ai soif, j'ai froid. Next is past tense. For example, j'ai mangé, tu as fini. Être is used to describe identity, state or condition, location, and certain verbs in past tense. First is identity. For example, je suis professeur. Elle est étudiante. Second is used to describe state or condition. For example, je suis fatigué. Il est heureux. Next is location. For example, je suis à Paris. Nous sommes à la maison. Some verbs use être in past tense. For example, je suis allé. And for female it is je suis allée. Elle est venue. Just remember, verb changes according to gender. For example, Elle est allée. Ils sont allés. Look at the comparison chart of avoir and être. Let's correct some mistakes. The first sentence is wrong. The correct sentence is J'ai faim. The second sentence is wrong. The correct sentence is J'ai 25 ans. The third sentence is wrong. The correct sentence is Je suis professeur. Now it's your turn. I will give sentences. You choose if it's avoir or être. Let's get started. Je suis professeur. And the sentence is être. The next sentence is J'ai un chien. Tell whether the sentence uses avoir or être. And the sentence is avoir. The third sentence is Nous sommes à l'école. Tell whether the sentence uses avoir or être. And the correct answer is être. The fourth sentence is Elle a froid. Tell whether the sentence uses avoir or être. And the correct answer is avoir. The next sentence is Ils sont heureux. Tell whether the sentence uses avoir or être. And the correct answer is être. Next practice exercise is correct the mistake. Let's get started. Je, and the correct answer is j'ai faim. What is the correct sentence? And the correct answer is je suis professeur. Find and correct the mistake. And the correct answer is j'ai 25 ans. What is the correct sentence? And the correct sentence is elle est heureuse. Next practice exercise is translate into French. You will be given English sentences and you have to translate them into French. Let's get started.
I am a teacher.
And the correct answer is je suis professeur.
I am hungry.
And the correct answer is j'ai faim.
She is at home.
And the correct answer is elle est à la maison.
We have a car.
And the correct answer is nous avons une voiture.
They are happy.
And the correct answer is ils sont heureux. Next exercise is fill in the blanks. Let's get started. And the answer is elle a 18 ans. And the correct answer is nous sommes fatigués. And the correct answer is tu as un sac. And the correct answer is je suis à Paris. And the correct sentence is ils ont froid. Merci. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir. Bye.